PicsForDesign.com is a digital illustration stock and a paradise for PSP taggers in their hobby. Here you will find scrap kits, poser tubes, and PSP tubes from the most famous artists in this department. There are more than 500 creators and 30,000 users in our community, which keeps growing. We provide a wide selection of exclusive digital pictures, and our catalogs are updated every day. So every PSP tagger, designer, entrepreneur, and any other person in need of digital illustration can find something for themselves. PSP tagging is an unusual and exciting hobby. It focuses on creating digital postcards, tags, using scrap kits, and PSP tubes. A PSP tube is a digital illustration in PSD format originally drawn by our artists. It separates in different colors, lowers, and elements. It can be opened in graphic editors such as Adobe Photoshop, Corel Paint Shop Pro, or PicsForDesign Post Editor. Founded in 2009, PicsForDesign.com is now one of the biggest digital illustration stocks for taggers hobby on the market, with over 50,000 high-quality images painted by professional artists. It also has the largest community of PSP taggers and specialists, whose hobby and job is making the world more beautiful with creative designs. PSP taggers create their own world and relieve stress by calmly conjuring over a picture in the graphics editor. They participate in competitions and are members of thematic communities, find new friends around the world, and learn new technologies every day. Recently, we started collaborating with doctors to help our clients fight minor health problems using images and colors. PSP tagging as a hobby is not only fun to do, it also can have a positive effect on a person's mind, relieving stress and boosting good mood. Save money with our promotions and sales. Buy beautiful tubes cheaper with prepaid projects. Become a member of an exclusive club and enjoy unique pictures and other benefits. Participate in our lotteries and contests and win cool prizes. Join our Facebook community and make new friends. Be the first to know about all the news with our newsletter.